Howdy, y'all. Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with a lot of hops. I'm combining a lot of things. I'm a little bit behind. Life has been crazy with the doctors and all the things. So, I'm running behind, so I'm going to combine Rainbow Crush, hosted by Tara, and the color for March is green. I am also combining this with my hops that were supposed to be this past Monday, which is 52 weeks of favorite photos, and Mix It Up Monday. And for this month's Mix It Up Monday, we are following a sketch for the 30 Days of Sketches with Chrissy's Beautiful Life. And I'm also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. So I think that that covers all of it. I am using this kit that wasn't really a kit. This was my bag of leftover scraps from this Simple Vintage Weathered Garden by Simple Stories. And I pulled some of the stickers and things out because that's all I had. I only had a few scraps of paper. This was the biggest one I had left. As you can see, I just have little bits and pieces, and I'm really looking forward to being done with that completely. But, so I pulled more paper, green paper, since I had to do monochromatic. And I just pulled 3 sheets from my stash. And then I, like I said, pulled some stickers. I'm going to use up my frogs that I created. I do have a video for that and a giveaway going. And I'm using my frog pictures because these make me so happy. Look at this one. Look at his little legs under the water. I have a little bitty pond that my husband built for me. And during the summertime, it is loaded with frogs. And I like to hear them. They get loud sometimes, but I just enjoy it. So it is some of my favorites. And I'm going to do mixed media, hence Mix It Up Monday. So I'm just going to do a smishing technique and then add all the things. So I just wanted to show you my kit before I cut things up. And I'll be right back. So I've just cut some strips on my paper. Like I said, this one was already cut. This is just using a scrap. I just cut some strips to mimic the sketch. Mine's going to be a little bit fuller than the sketch. Surprise. Not really. So, pretty much, I'm just going to put some of this on here. And I'm going to do 2 different colors of green. I'm going to lightly mist, because I don't want a ton of water on here. And I think I'm going to bend it so that it's not super hard lines. I just thought it would be kind of fun. I'm going to glue my 2 strips on. And this one. And then I'm going to put this one on. I'm excited but a little sad at the same time that I'm using up all of this paper. I love this collection. Alright, so I'm going to put my photos down the center of this. Let's see, I better start at the top. My camera doesn't take super great pictures whenever it's zoomed up close. Like whenever you start zooming, it loses quality quickly. So I try to get really close, and sometimes the frogs will stay like in place and you can, you know, get a good picture of them. And other times, not so much. They hop away really quick or jump in the water. That I've saw like up to like 13 frogs in the pond all together at once. So that's pretty neat. Okay, so I think I'm going to add this froggy here and this froggy here. And I'm going to add my title. This was an accident, but I thought it kind of looked like the frog's eye. I was doing this font that I normally don't use because the inside of it's out, and then I put an offset on it, and whenever I put the black offset, I thought, okay, because it still cut out the center, it doesn't make it solid. And then I decided to do white for the back, but I thought that was pretty cool and that it looked like the frog's eye. So I think I'm going to put my title there like that. And then I'm going to put my clovers down just to use them up. I'm just going to place them around and not glue everything down today. And I'll just post the finished layout at the end because I'm in a little bit of a time crunch here and don't have a lot of time. And gluing all these little clovers down one by one will take a lot of time that I don't have. So I'm trying to think of what I want to put. I could put awesome and have awesome frog pond. I don't know. I think I do want to use some of these flowers stickers. And then this, and I still have more of them on this one. See what this one says. Sweet love, happiest. I don't know that I love any of those, but I might use some of the hearts. I do have these in here with a bunch of little words and stickers that I really, really, really need to use up. I could use a lot of that greenery and tuck around in clusters. Okay, I think I'm going to do that, but I'm going to have to make some decisions. So I'm just going to go ahead and call it good. I will post the video, the pictures of it completed at the end, so be sure to watch. Go and check out everyone else that's playing along with all of these hops. All the information will be below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope this inspires you, and I hope you will be patient with me as I work out life. So until next time, bye y'all.